Jaron, flash attempt.
Not yet, I've fallen. Don't lie.
Oh no.
Cheeky bastard. So pretty much you start on a really good right crimp, and you also have a moderate left crimp. You're gonna get either a high right foot or a left foot. You can kind of do it a couple different ways. And then you shoot up. It's a pretty big dead point, but you got this magical jug. And you rest on that. You grab with both hands, you match. Bring your feet up a little bit. You're gonna go up to another really nice right crimp. It's really positive. Once you get that right crimp, you can then also, you go up with your left hand to, again, kind of same sequence to a pretty moderate, not very good slopey right or left crimp. Once you have that left crimp, you can either bring your left foot up and you get it on the jug, and you can either turn it in or out. You're gonna lock off and reach as far as you can with your left hand, and you're gonna grab this really sharp little kind of like horn. It's kind of coming out of this flake. You can either turn your left foot in or outward to do that, and you just lock off on your right arm. You grab that horn. Once you get that, you move your feet up again. You're gonna lock off on that horn and go up to this pretty good crimp with your right hand. Then you're gonna sweep on over, and there's another really big jug. And at this point, you're pretty high up, so it's kind of exciting. But you get this really good jug, and from there it's just jugs until the top. You once you get to that jug on the left, you match and you move over, and there's this big flake side pull, and you kind of walk your way up it, and then throw it to the top to the lip. And from there you just pull. It's really easy. Kind of spooky, but if you know the moves, it's really nice. I don't know how high it is, but it might feel like, yeah, I have no idea, maybe 30 feet.
Squat master.
Get on top of it.
Where's my right foot?
To the left, to the left of that.
Lower there.
Right there.
Yeah.
Good there.
Woohoo!
Amazing.